Hello friends, welcome to my channel Uniform Courses. Today's video is going to be very important one. It is about the mistakes you need to avoid while preparing for the Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant examination. So this is particularly for your written examination part, like paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, the mistakes you need to avoid. This is my own experience. I have committed a lot of mistakes throughout my preparation. So I'm going to share those, and I would like you to pay attention on them so that you can avoid them. So first of all, don't skip what previous year question paper, because from the previous year question papers you will get an idea of what kind of questions the UPSC put in the CAPF examination, so that you can have a rough idea, you can have a fair idea actually about how you need to prepare for this examination. Second, don't skip the NCERTs. Trust me, and you can find also on yourself that around 40 to 50% question of the CAPF examination come directly from the NCERT. Like statement is just taken out from the NCERTs and put as a question in your examination. So don't skip the NCERTs. Next is make notes. So आप जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स के नोट बना सकते हैं as much as possible. Please do make notes. This is the mistake I committed and I want you to not to commit this mistake. Okay, notes बनाइए आप. So in different videos I have told how to make notes, be it history, be it environment, be it economics. I have told in every video. You can find those from my playlist, and there is a Telegram link in the description box. You can add yourself to that Telegram channel, and in that I have put different samples of my note so that you can get an idea about how to make notes. ठीक है, इसके बाद one very important thing is don't go for n number of books or resources. ठीक है, don't do this. Rather than doing this, you should do n number of revisions. ठीक है, and टेस्ट, प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये कीजिए. आफ्टर दिस आई वुड से द सेम पॉइंट, कीप योर रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड. ओके, since this is a time of information, so you'll find a lot of recommendation for different books, different resources. Don't go for that. There is no use of that. That is just pure wastage of your time. Okay, what is required is you need to limit your resources and then revise and revise again and again. After that, as I have told, practice previous year questions, ठीक है, of different examinations like CDS, CAPF, and in my different videos I have told about this publication book, 10,000 questions and different sources I have told. After that, another important thing is don't study for long hours. ठीक है, don't study for long hours. Make sure that you get adequate rest in between. In my 120 days preparation video, I have told that how you can make slots and how you can give some time for your rest, like 15 to 20 minutes between each slot. So make sure you do that. And also you need to adopt some kind of hobby for yourself, some kind of recreational activity. This hobby can be like playing badminton. So you can play badminton, but since these are corona times, so you can't go out much. So rather than playing badminton, you can play some indoor games like carom or chess or ludo, etc., as per your choice. Okay, that is very important. Next is keep yourself motivated. Now why do I say this? Because you know, there will be a lot of time when you will feel low, when you will feel that you need to quit, like you are feeling quitting. So in those times you need to keep your morale, keep your yourself motivated, and I have put a video on this motivation. You can check from the I button, and you can check motivational videos from different channels on the YouTube. They are available there. After this, Next point is paper 2. You need to practice on regular basis for paper 2. Okay, paper 2, like all the topics like report, argument, precision, comprehension, grammar. So you can find all these videos in the playlist of my YouTube channel Uniform Forces. After that, one more thing you need to pay attention is, see, what you know, you should focus on that rather than what you don't know. जो आपको आता है उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान कीजिए, उसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट बनाइए rather than जो आपको नहीं आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लीजिए किसी का मैथ्स वीक है या किसी का प्रेसाइज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वीक है या फिर कुछ और वीक है, तो सिर्फ उस पर ध्यान मत दीजिए और उसी के लिए मतलब डोंट कीप ऑन कंप्लेनिंग एवरी टाइम कि यार इसको कैसे करूँ, ये तो मेरे को आता ही नहीं है. rather than doing that you should pay focus on what you know. उस पर ध्यान दीजिए, बिकॉज अगर आप 80 से 90 क्वेश्चन कर पा रहे हैं बाकी चीज़ों के, तो आप कोई सब्जेक्ट जो आप वीक है आप उसे छोड़ सकते हैं, ठीक है, उस केस में. तो इसलिए हमेशा ये मत देखिए कि आपको जो नहीं आ रहा है आप उस पर हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि उसके लिए 10 बुकें पढ़ूंगा मैं, 10 बुक्स पढ़ूंगा, कहीं और से कुछ और सामान ढूंढ के लाऊंगा, वो सब चीज़ें मत करिए, ठीक है. तो फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू नो. इसके बाद अगली चीज़ ये है कि न्यूज़पेपर पढ़िए. बहुत सारे लोगों ने लिख रखा है सर न्यूज़पेपर स्किप कर सकते हैं क्या. देखिए न्यूज़पेपर का मतलब इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होता है. इंपॉर्टेंस इज इट गिव्स यू अ पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन इन एंड अराउंड इन द वर्ल्ड, ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अबाउट द अवेयरनेस दे प्रोवाइड यू. तो न्यूज़पेपर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. तो न्यूज़पेपर को स्किप मत कीजिए, बेशक यू रीड इट फॉर ओनली 45 मिनट्स और 1 आवर, बट डू रीड इट. आफ्टर दैट डिसिप्लिन. Discipline is most important in every walk of life, in every sphere. Okay, so you need to make sure that you follow a proper discipline in your life, not in just the preparation part but in your life in general. Okay, discipline is very important, and by discipline I mean to say whatever timetable you have set for yourself, whatever goal you have set for yourself, whatever path you have decided for yourself, you need to follow that path. Okay, don't deviate from that path. Don't deviate a lot. A little bit deviation is there, but don't deviate a lot. That is discipline. You need to make sure that you inculcate this habit in your daily routine. After that, the most important, stay safe. Don't get yourself infected by corona as I have. Okay, because a lot of energy, a lot of time will be wasted if you get yourself corona positive. So make sure that you follow all the precautions that are being circulated around by the government and the genuine authorities. So these are some of the mistakes which I want you not to commit. Some of them I have committed, but I want you don't commit them. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. You can join my Telegram channel. I have given the description. I have given the link in the description, and I'll see you next. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe the channel. You can like the video. See you in the next video.